Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Kiri Toffee. First, gather all your ingredients, ensuring they are measured and ready for a smooth process. You'll need 1 can of condensed milk, sugar, butter, vanilla essence, and optionally, some chopped cashew nuts. Having everything prepared beforehand makes the cooking much easier and more enjoyable. Next, in a heavy-bottomed, non-stick pan, combine the condensed milk, sugar, and a small amount of water. Place the pan over a medium flame and begin stirring continuously. This constant stirring is crucial to prevent the mixture from sticking to the bottom and burning. Continue cooking until it thickens considerably and develops a beautiful light golden brown color. Once the mixture has reached the desired consistency and color, remove it from the heat. Quickly stir in the butter and vanilla essence, ensuring they are fully incorporated. If you're adding cashew nuts, now is the time to fold them in. Mix everything thoroughly until the toffee is smooth and all ingredients are evenly distributed, creating a rich and flavorful treat. Finally, pour the hot toffee mixture into a buttered or parchment-lined tray, spreading it evenly to your desired thickness. While it's still warm, use an oiled knife to score the toffee into squares or diamond shapes. This makes cutting easier once it's fully set. Allow it to cool completely at room temperature before breaking it apart. Remember to check the description below for the link to those amazing darn tough socks, plus other great deals we've found for you. They're truly worth it. Enjoy your homemade Kiri Toffee, a delightful sweet for any occasion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.